kasi alam kasi merong iba na parang ano ba talaga?
Do I know this
No, you
person?
probably don't.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you kind of like, okay. Anong says, yung
Tended,
all
yeah.
of your friends
Not
are
yet,
getting
yeah.
married. Don't have paminta friends.
Like
No.
nanlalaip?
Paminta is
Like, it's like pamen.
Pamen.
Like,
Like they're actually gay,
they're
but
gay,
they're
but
closeted.
Oh, I didn't know this term.
And tag 3 friends.
Oh,
I can't think of anyone.
any.
I think now kasi it's well
Yeah,
the world
parang-
is more I mean, of course we could always use more, but like the world is more forgiving now. Na
Yeah,
parang
and
it's easier to come out.
yeah, if ever I've had, they're ano na now.
They're out na.
They're out na now.
Or yung hindi ko rin kasi alam kasi merong iba na parang ano ba talaga?
Yeah.
Even
Yeah.
I'm confused. Like even I don't know kasi
Okay.
when you say pamenta, chances are you already know na nagpapalalaki lang.
Yeah.
Or you suspect. Not necessarily, of course. Of course. I mean, that's the whole point nga,
Okay.
diba? They're hiding it. So obviously, you're not sure.
Yeah.
Kasi if you were sure, then I guess they're not
Yeah.
considered
I'm gonna
paminta.
lip somebody. You try to figure out if
Do I know this person? Do I know this
No, you
person?
probably don't.
Yeah.
Diba? But like there are times naman when I'm like I don't think so.
I hate
but
being
I think,
left out.
Well, we don't know.
Even you don't know, diba?
Me
Or
naman.
sorry, one more.
Yes.
Yun,
Hindi rin pero alam mo yung, kasi sa akin, when it comes to that, parang benefit of the doubt.
Yeah.
You say that you're not.
Yeah.
Kasi yung iba, they don't say either way. Pero kasi yung dalawang examples mo, they say that they're not.
Yeah.
So,
And then, yeah.
so
Okay.
you kind of like, okay.
Diba?
Sa akin kasi if it's so upfront na, no, I'm not. Then I'm thinking, baka
But
naman
they're not.
hindi.
Yeah. Me naman, the people I have in mind after college, they were pretty much okay. Yeah.
Like you're never mind.
Like what?
Hindi, may nakwento ko kasi na, the friend before na, di ba? Yeah. Joti says, adult slumbook question. Ito so simple. Pero it's so like,
Hard to answer?
perfect.
Oh,
Hindi.
okay.
Hindi, sorry. Mamaya na. That's the top na lang.
Sige.
Okay.
Chenong says, yung pagkaka-formulate ng question, it's a series of questions.
Alright.
So yung una, nakalagay doon, adult slumbook questions. Nakalagay, tell me what you want. So sasagot ka.
What do you really
Tapos yung
want?
next, no, what you really want. Tapos sa ilalim nun may tatlo, I wanna blank, I wanna blank, I wanna blank, blank, blank. So, tell me what you want. What you really want. I wanna really wanna take a take.
Future.
Pwede.
Pwede. I like it.
Jazzy says, adult slumbook questions. Medyo masakit to for some. For single ladies, how many times have you attended a wedding as a bridesmaid?
Oh, never.
No.
For single ladies, So you have to be like
never pa.
single pa now.
Have you never been a bridesmaid?
Never.
Never?
Well, you're young pa kasi, so
Never.
I feel
Sa
like
bagay.
Yeah.
Sa bagay.
I feel like you're not in that stage
Just
yet
attended,
where all
yeah.
of your friends
Not
are
yet,
getting
yeah.
married. Yeah.
That's true.
Chenong says, this is so difficult. Adult slumbook questions. Define your defining moment.
Oh.
That one moment in your life na parang you feel it defines you as a person. Hirap, no? It really makes you think, Kasi you think of the big ones.
Meron kasi yung defining moment
Yeah,
in your
there's
career.
so many defining moments talaga.
overall.
Like, overall.
Let's say you have a defining moment sa career. You have a defining moment sa personal. You have a
But,
defining moment. Pero of all that, there's one that stands out over the rest.
I have one for career. Like, well, ish. That was something that I really, really loved to do, and it was so me when I got courtside for UP. Because I didn't know I could do it. And then when you audition, and the audition process is like almost 2 months.
Yeah.
And then I love basketball.